Yasmin out there able to enjoy the sunshine today. We're starting to see clouds increase, and now it's just kind of the calm before the storm, although it is still on the breezy side. So a view in St. Joseph, it's a little zoomed in, but hazy skies looking over Lake Michigan. Water, not too choppy, but we are going to pick things up. And you can see the leading edge of these clouds here into Montcalm County continuing to move inland and off to the north and east. So we are looking at mostly cloudy skies for the rest of this evening as sun continues to set. And then we'll lead into those rain and storm chances in a couple more hours. Still holding on to 70 in Grand Rapids and Greenville, as well as Kalamazoo. Everywhere else has fallen back into the 60s. Winds still out of the south, 10 to 15 miles per hour. Gusts starting to cut back. I think we'll see a little calm air enter in, again, ahead of this low pressure and those storms. Dew points. 49 in Ionia, everywhere else mid to even upper 50s. These are continuing to climb. It's moisture in the atmosphere, and that can lead to instability, which will help enhance some storms. So we do have the first severe thunderstorm warning of the evening within this cold front pushing through. That's on far east Illinois, or west Illinois rather. But that's a part of that cold front push and will continue to sweep into our area over the next couple of hours. So you can see right in that slight risk is where that warning is. We are included in the slight risk, but the greatest threat is expected to be just west of downtown Chicago and then into parts of Indiana, as well as southern Indiana and southwest Ohio. We'll continue with future track as that rain builds in, maybe a leading edge of showers, but it's not going to be much. And then it's around 9-10 o'clock where we see this big swath of storms move in. Notice isolated ones off to the south and east, but that moves in as one big line by the time we get to about midnight, 1 a.m. I think by 2, the severe weather threat should be over with, and isolated showers after that before it transitions over to snow into the afternoon and evening. This is going to be really windy, blowing and drifting snow. And keep in mind, we're going from 72 to nearly 25 degrees by Wednesday afternoon. So a flash freeze will lead to some roadways being impacted from some rain transitioning over to some ice. We'll have to watch for that here tomorrow morning, especially during the commute. So the afternoon high of just about 27 degrees. At midnight, Wednesday will feature a 58-degree temperature, but it'll be short-lived. Again, windy within the snow shower, so blowing and drifting, maybe reduced visibility at times. We'll take you through the winds here overnight tonight. They start to pick back up around 9-10 o'clock. Once that main system moves through, it's winds out of the north and west by 6 a.m. Wednesday along the lakeshore, gusts to 35 miles per hour, and then we'll carry it into 40 miles per hour. On the east side of the state, starting in Ionia, Battle Creek towards Lansing, gusts could be upwards of 45 to 50 miles per hour as well. By 11 p.m., winds are still pretty strong, but they'll really quiet down as we head into Wednesday, and then another warm front moves in. So 30s here on Thursday with that sunshine, but it's the feels like temperature on Wednesday that is more of a concern here. It sweeps through by 6 a.m., feels like 23 degrees, and it could even be feeling like the single digits through Wednesday afternoon. It is a true summer to winter blast over the next 24 hours. If the forecast holds, it will be the largest 24-hour temperature drop Grand Rapids has seen since records began, but a lot of sunshine will be back just in time for the first weekend of March. We'll be back with more news and weather after